In this video, I'll show you how to automate Airtable with built-in automations. First, sign in to your Airtable account and open the base where you want to create the automation. At the top of the page, click Automations, then select Create Automation to begin. Next, choose a trigger that will start the automation. You can trigger it when a record is created, when a record enters a specific view, when a field is updated, or when another supported event occurs. Configure the trigger and run a quick test to make sure Airtable detects the correct records. After that, click Add Action and choose what you want Airtable to do automatically. For example, you can update a record, create a new record, send an email, post a Slack message, or perform another built-in action. Complete the required settings and test the action before moving on. Now, review the entire workflow to confirm that the trigger and action are connected correctly. Run one final test using sample data and verify that the automation completes successfully without any errors. Finally, turn the automation on to make it active. You can always return to the Automations section to monitor activity, edit the workflow, or add additional actions as your process evolves. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate Airtable with built-in automations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.